Have you ever stopped to truly notice the world around you? The intricate details, the subtle hues, the quiet hum of life that permeates everything? Plants are everywhere, gardens bursting with vibrant colors and intoxicating fragrances. They are meticulously cared for havens showcasing nature's artistry. Fields stretching as far as the eye can see, a tapestry woven with shades of green and gold. These are the breadbaskets of the world, feeding us and countless other creatures. Parks offering respite and recreation amidst urban landscapes and forests, ancient and mysterious, teeming with life both seen and unseen. Some are tall, like leafy trees, reaching for the sky, their branches providing shelter and shade. They stand as silent sentinels, witnessing the passage of time. Others are tiny, like gentle flowers, carpeting the ground with delicate beauty, their subtle fragrances attracting pollinators from miles around. Plants fill our world with color, red roses, symbols of love and passion, their velvety petals unfolding in exquisite form, yellow sunflowers turning their faces to follow the sun, radiating warmth and joy. They are beacons of hope, reminding us of the beauty of simplicity. And green grass underfoot, a soft and yielding carpet, inviting us to walk barefoot and connect with the earth. They make earth beautiful and alive, a vibrant tapestry of life woven together in intricate harmony. Imagine a world without plants, a desolate and barren landscape devoid of color and life. No shady trees, offering cool relief from the scorching sun. No apples, crisp and juicy, providing nourishment and delight. No flowers to smell, their sweet fragrances lost to the wind. Plants make our world lively and special, attracting butterflies and bees, creating a symphony of life and movement. They're always growing, always changing, adapting to their environment, and constantly surprising us with their resilience. Let's look closely at the plants around us, from a blade of grass, seemingly insignificant yet vital to the ecosystem, to a giant oak, a majestic symbol of strength and longevity. Each has its own story and magic, a unique adaptation that allows it to thrive in its particular niche. Plants are our silent friends, providing us with the very air we breathe, sharing the planet and growing with quiet strength, their roots anchoring them to the earth, their leaves reaching for the sky, always reaching for the sun, a constant reminder of the power of life and growth. Have you ever stopped to wonder about the green wonders that surround us? What exactly a plant? Well, simply put, it's a living thing, just like us. But unlike us, plants possess some truly remarkable abilities. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest mosses to the tallest trees, each playing a vital role in our world. The amazing journey of most plants begins from a tiny seed, packed with all the potential for life. And to unlock that potential, they need sunshine. Sunlight is like the plant's personal chef, providing the energy it needs to cook up its own food. They also need water. Water is like the plant's delivery service, bringing essential nutrients from the soil to all its different parts. And of course, soil. Soil is the plant's cozy home, providing a place to anchor its roots and find all the minerals it needs to thrive. And let's not forget air. Plants are truly special. They have the incredible ability to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. It's like a superpower. They do this using sunlight, water, and air, transforming these simple ingredients into the energy they need to grow and flourish. No animal can do that. We rely on plants for our food, but they can create their own. This self-made food fuels their growth, allowing them to reach for the sky and spread their roots deep into the earth. It helps them produce vibrant leaves, beautiful flowers, and new seeds, ensuring the continuation of their species. But why are plants so important to us? Well, for starters, they give us the clean air we need to breathe. Plants take in the old, stale air that we breathe out, the air filled with carbon dioxide. And in return, they breathe out fresh, clean air filled with oxygen, keeping Earth healthy and making it possible for us to thrive. Without plants, we simply couldn't live well or even live at all. They are essential for our survival. But that's not all. Plants also give us food, delicious and nutritious treats like strawberries and lettuce. And who could forget apples, bananas, and carrots? The list goes on and on. And it's not just humans who rely on plants for sustenance. Animals eat plants too. Cows munch on grass, birds feast on seeds. Plants are the very foundation of the food chain, providing nourishment for almost every living thing on our planet. They truly are essential for life as we know it. Every big plant begins as a tiny seed, a promise of new life. Inside each seed is a baby plant, waiting for the right time to grow. Most seeds come from flowers, but some come from cones, like pine trees. Seeds can be big, like coconuts, or tiny, like orchid seeds. Seeds travel by wind, by water or animals, helping plants grow in new places. Inside every seed is a plant embryo and stored food to help it start growing. The seed's coat protects the baby plant until it's ready to sprout. When a seed finds the right spot, its adventure begins. It needs warm earth, gentle rain, and sunlight. The seed wakes up. This is called germination. First, a tiny root grows down, holding the seed and drinking water. Next, a shoot pushes up, reaching for the sun. This new plant is called a seedling. The seedling uses stored food, then starts making its own. Leaves unfold to catch sunlight, and roots grow deeper. The seedling grows stronger, ready to become a big plant. Every plant has special parts that work together. Roots grow underground, anchoring the plant and soaking up water and nutrients. Some plants have big taproots, others have many fine roots. Above ground, the stem holds the plant upright and carries water and food. Stems can be soft or woody, like a tree trunk. Leaves are the plant's food factory, flat, green, and full of chlorophyll. Leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make food in a process called photosynthesis. 14 lines. Many plants grow flowers, not just for beauty, but to make seeds. Flowers come in many colors and attract bees and butterflies with sweet nectar. When visitors collect nectar, they get covered in pollen. Bees carry pollen to other flowers. This is pollination. Pollination lets seeds form inside the flower. After pollination, petals fall off and the seed grows inside fruit, like apples or tomatoes. Inside the fruit, seeds are safe and ready to start the cycle again. The plant life cycle is a circle, a beautiful never-ending circle of life. It's a process that has been repeating for millennia, sustaining our planet and providing the very air we breathe. Understanding this cycle is key to appreciating the vital role plants play in our world. It's a story of constant renewal, growth, and giving back to the earth. It begins with a tiny seed, a vessel of potential, packed with everything needed to start a new life. From that seed, a sprout emerges, a fragile but determined shoot reaching for the sunlight. It's a symbol of hope, a testament to the power of nature's drive to thrive. The sprout grows into a plant, developing leaves to capture sunlight and roots to draw nourishment from the soil. It stands tall, a vibrant green beacon in the landscape, contributing to the delicate balance of our ecosystem. The plant then blossoms, producing a flower, a vibrant display of color and beauty, attracting pollinators and signaling the next stage of the cycle. These flowers are not just pretty, they are essential for reproduction. And finally, the flower produces seeds, completing the circle, ready to start the process again. The seeds fall, carried by wind or animals, finding new places to take root and begin the cycle anew. This cycle gives us, and all living things, so much. Oxygen, the very air we breathe, is a gift from plants, a byproduct of their life-sustaining process of photosynthesis. Food, in countless forms, sustains us, providing the energy and nutrients we need to thrive. From the smallest berry to the largest melon, plants nourish our bodies and souls. And shelter, from the simplest hut to the grandest building, plants provide the materials to protect us from the elements. They offer us comfort and security. Fruits, bursting with flavor and vitamins, are a delicious and essential part of our diet. Vegetables, packed with nutrients and fiber, keep us healthy and strong. Grains, the staple of many diets, provide us with carbohydrates for energy and sustenance. And even cotton for clothes all come from plants, providing us with the fabric to clothe and protect ourselves. Paper, the medium for our words and ideas, comes from plants, allowing us to communicate and share knowledge. And some medicines come from plants too, offering us healing and relief from illness. Nature's pharmacy is a powerful resource. Plants keep soil healthy, enriching it with nutrients and organic matter, and stop it from washing away, preventing erosion and preserving our precious topsoil. They are essential for life on Earth, the foundation of our ecosystems, supporting a vast web of life. Let's care for our green friends. Let's nurture them as they nurture us. Plant a tree, a symbol of hope for the future, a legacy for generations to come. Grow a flower, adding beauty and joy to our world, attracting pollinators and supporting biodiversity. Water them, providing them with the life-giving moisture they need to thrive. And give them sunshine, the energy source that fuels their growth and sustains our planet. By helping plants, we help the whole planet, ensuring a healthy and sustainable future for all. The magical journey of a plant is a journey for us all, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of protecting our green friends.